There's something magical about an old buildings. Not only that, a movie theater. I think spaces like this have an old school charm. You know, it's not a brand new, fresh building ready to do concerts, but I think people appreciate that when they walk in that door. When we applied for that grant, I was excited right away because I've always wanted to be involved in the hands-on designing and building of a marquee, because a marquee is important for a theater. The state is reinvesting their money in the communities here in Buffalo, and I think that's great. With that marquee, the process was seamless, it was smooth. So people will literally come up to me outside and say, that looks beautiful. That makes me feel good. Now mind you, the building's old, 1911, but this is one of the men's bathrooms, and this is history down here. I'm glad the state's putting an investment into communities, into old buildings to bring them back, you know, update them a bit and bring them back, because I think it's important to the community and the history of that community where we came from with the history we have in Buffalo. Because it was a movie theater, the floor went down 6 feet. Again, we lifted it, so this is all brand new concrete. The original stage, we had to rip that out and build a brand new stage. HCR are putting out billions of dollars in communities to revitalize them and bring them back. So communities can come together and see that we're coming back. This has been a live music venue since really, honestly, 1994. That's a long haul. So I hope it stays that way, and I think it will. This is a staple in the community. This building is a staple. You say Showplace Theater, everybody knows where it is and what it is. It stands for live music. And I think everybody knows that we put pride into the building and they see it when they walk in the door. And we care. We care.